going to running train and ready to flying rail station and rail line. Okay, it is ready and going over the rail line and going to the next station. Stop the train. Welcome our amazing flying train channel Chip Tips. Disclaimer: this video is just made for entertainment purpose only. This is a very entertainment in around the rail line and rail station and the train. Around the rail line, the train is running and very sneakily. Just amazing scenery in our life. Wow, it is very amazing moment. The train is going around the big over the rail line. It is next on future train. High speed and one train around the rail line. Zigzag train going to H junction. More amazing videos, please subscribe our channel, and thanks for all video watching. Flying trains means future trains management any current is necessary because modern concept flying train concept need another airport. The future of rail transportation in the air. Flying train concept could carry up 200 passengers and travel and nearby flying station. Thank you so much.